What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to change the mirrors on my 23 Grom, because you can see right here I broke the mirror on the left side while I was doing a wheelie. It looped and it fell on the left side, and this one broke off, so I just took it off completely. I'm also going to be taking this one off because I got some new mirrors by a company called Kemi Moto. They're a pretty popular brand. I'm sure you guys have heard of them, but I haven't opened it up yet, so let's open it up and see what they look like. So what do we get in the box? What is this? Some instructions. I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory though. Let's see what they look like. Really nice, really nice. So I'm gonna get everything unpackaged. So you get this piece here, and then you get the mirror itself, and I guess it connects like that, and they give you a bolt, put it in like that, and you connect this part, and they also include an Allen wrench, which is nice. Okay. Oh, dropped it. Not all the way tight yet because I know I'm still gonna adjust it, but that's basically how it's gonna look on the bike. And they give you these sleeves, so if your bars are too skinny, you could insert that and it'll fit just right. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna take off the old mirror before I put the new one on. Oh man. Alright, looks way cleaner, nice. Okay, so I'm gonna have to trim the ends of these rubber grips because the bar end has to go inside. I already took off the stock grips, as you can see, so I don't have to worry about taking off that really tight Loctited bar end. And the original one was so hard to get off. I had to heat it up with a heat gun in order to get it off, but luckily I don't have to do that today. Okay, so this piece has to go inside the end of the bar right here. So I'm going to trim off enough that I think needs to come off. And be very careful doing this because it's easy to slice your finger. Smooth out the edges, make it nice and neat. Okay, so I guess on the throttle side, you don't need any of the other stuff that comes with it to make it tighter. You just need the main outside piece and use the bolt that came with it. So this you could tighten as much as you can, as much as you want, because we're gonna adjust the mirror angle with this bolt right here. I could see that it's not sticking, so I'm good to tighten it. Well, just slightly tighten it because I gotta adjust it when I sit on the bike. Okay, that's one side. Now let's do the other side. Okay, so I guess Honda made the bars different on their 2023 version because I don't have to use any of these other parts to fit inside and tighten it. So I could just get rid of all the access stuff right here, and I only have to use the bolt. So that's nice. That's really cool that Honda did that. Okay, so let me see what looks good for me, what I feel comfortable with. Alright, already I can see that they're better than my other mirrors. Yeah, that looks good right there. I'll just tighten them up and see how they look on the street. Man, look at that. That looks nice. That really improves the look of the bike. Yeah, man, that looks nice. Sweet. Alright, let me take it on the street and see how they look.
Oh heck yeah, man. I could see behind me, like I could see this much beside my arm on each side. With the stock mirrors, I couldn't really see above my shoulder, but with these ones, since they're kind of low by my hand down here, like I could see all of that. Like, I could see the truck that just passed me right there. And I really like the build quality of these. They feel really sturdy, and the ball behind them, like, that adjusts. You could move it and it's gonna stay where you put it. That's really nice. They kind of have like a blue tint to them. I don't know what, I mean, I think that might be for glaring, for the sun, or for headlights, but yeah, it doesn't interfere with the visibility at all. I don't mind it. So yeah, if you're tired of your stock mirrors that just right here, and they're like big and ugly and in your way, and you want a cheap alternative to that, I suggest these Kemi Moto mirrors. They're affordable, they look nice, they improve the look of your Grom. Yeah, I should have got these first. I'm curious what will happen if I do another wheelie and drop my bike though. Like, I mean, it feels stronger than the other mirrors were, because the other ones were plastic. Of course, it's gonna break, but I'm not sure. I mean, I guess there's only one way to find out, but I don't want to find out, you know, but you know it's gonna happen. But I'm pretty sure they'll hold up better than the plastic mirrors did. And I know what some people do, they turn them around, like this one will be on this side, so the mirror will be on the bottom, and I'm not sure how the visibility will look. I mean, I'll be able to see, like, kind of like right here. It might, I mean, I might try it out just to see how it looks, but I'm fine with them being up on the top like that. But all in all, I'm really satisfied with these mirrors. If you guys were looking at these mirrors and thinking about buying them, I'd say go ahead and do it, because they really improve the look of your Grom. They're really affordable. What are they, like, around 40 bucks? I mean, you can't beat 40 bucks, right? That should do it for the video today, guys. I just wanted to make a quick little video installing and reviewing these really quick. I thank you guys for watching all my content. Stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more Grom videos, a lot more Harley videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
When it went down.